In this video, I will show you how to fix DirectX runtime errors in Valorant on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Type services in the Windows search bar and open it. Scroll down or press V to locate VGC. Right-click VGC and select Properties. Change the startup type to Automatic, then click Apply and OK. Right-click VGC again and select Start. So this should fix your issue. If it's not, then go to Start, then type msconfig and press Enter. Go to Services tab. In the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services at the bottom. Find VGC, check the box next to it, then click Apply and OK. Close everything and restart your computer. So this should fix your issue. If it's not, then I will recommend you to install the latest DirectX version. Open any web browser and search for DirectX download. And then click on the first link. Choose your preferred language and click download. Open the downloaded file and grant permission by clicking yes. Then follow the prompt until the installation is finished. So now Valorant should launch without the DirectX runtime error. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.